Solve the equation 2 over x minus 4 plus 2x over x squared minus 16 equals 1 over x plus 4, and we're given 4 choices for the solution here. Well, let's start by rewriting the equation. And we want to multiply to clear fractions, first of all. I see that this denominator is x minus 4. This factors as x plus 4 times x minus 4, and this is x plus 4. So the least common multiple of the denominators, or the least common denominator, is going to be x minus 4 times x plus 4. And I'll multiply both sides of the equation by this expression. So I would have x minus 4 times x plus 4, multiplying on the left-hand side, times 2 over x minus 4 plus 2x, and I'm going to write this denominator in factored form, x plus 4 times x minus 4. And that's equal to, multiplying the same way on the right-hand side, x minus 4 times x plus 4 times 1 over x plus 4. Now when I multiply x minus 4 times x plus 4 and 2 over x minus 4, I have x minus 4 in the numerator and in the denominator, so that simplifies to 1. So I'm left with 2 times x plus 4. When I do this multiplication, x minus 4 times x plus 4 times 2x over x plus 4 times x minus 4, I have each of these factors in the numerator and in the denominator. So when I do that multiplication, what I have left is 2x. And here I have a factor of x plus 4 in the numerator and in the denominator, which leaves me on the right-hand side x minus 4. Now let's remove these parentheses. I have 2x plus 8 plus 2x equals x minus 4. I'll collect like terms on the left-hand side. 4x plus 8 equals x minus 4. Now I can subtract x on both sides and also subtract 8 on both sides. When I subtract x on both sides, I'm left with 3x on the left. And when I subtract 8 on both sides, I have negative 12 on the right-hand side. So 3x is equal to negative 12. When I divide by 3 on both sides, I get x equals negative 4. Now, when we solve rational equations, we need to check to see that the solution is actually a solution of the original equation, not just a solution of the equation that we got when we cleared fractions. And when we look back at the original equation, we see that the value of negative 4 for x makes this denominator 0 and it makes this denominator 0. Or back in the original equation, when x is 4, this is 0 and this is 0. So the only possible solution is not a solution of the original equation. So we would have to say that this equation has no solution. And let's look back at our choices. We see that no solution is choice D. So that's the correct answer.